Everyone, this is G Patriot 2.4 at Leader 2012 G Patriot. And so today, what we're doing, and there's tons of videos on how to take your air filter out, but you got these screws right on the box. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got 6, but the back ones are hard to get to. So when you put your air filter back in, I highly recommend you can make it tight, but not too tight. So then if you have to get replacement air filter or get to this sometime, you might want to just make it tight enough where it is tight, but you don't have to make it too tight. But this is the old Purge valve on G Patriot 2012. The location, I don't know if I can get to, but it's somewhere right around here over, I can't remember where I took it out of, but somewhere right around this corner. It was a pain in the butt to get to, but I found out on the bottom of these air filters, they got like little feet, kind of like right where you see where I pulled it out of somehow. Like that's got a foot where that part is. So sometimes you might have to just take the air filter box out a little bit in order to just try to get to this part on the purge valve, because you gotta push this and then kind of like wiggle this out in order to pop out. Now, this was easy to take off. This is the electrical connector, and this might be a little pain in the butt. You can kind of tell it's old, but yeah, this part is basically this. So that might be a pain in the butt to get to, and you might feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. So out with the old and in with the new. I will show you another updated video on once it's done and back into the vehicle. But yep, this is the newer model. You can tell it's not too dusty. And the one I just got done showing you is probably the original when this vehicle came to from the factory, or if they had to get replaced later on, since I got it from a dealership. And your battery on a Patriot is right here too. If you ever get it from a dealership and you're trying to know, okay, your vehicle won't start, or it will start but won't, you could be driving down, turn it off. Let's say, for example, go to Walmart, turn your vehicle back on after getting groceries, and it might not kick on again. So that might you need to get a new battery. And this is what kind of battery it is. You can get this at your local O'Reilly's Auto Parts store, Advanced Auto Parts store, any of the auto parts stores that sell batteries. But and this is the air filter. I'm kind of doing like 3 videos in one, so just bear with me. You can just type that in for the make, model of your vehicle at O'Reilly's website, or go there and ask them, and they might have the part or the last part in stock. So go check that out. I just wanted to do an update video of me taking, hang on here, so nothing falls. It's a pain to get to. But out with the old and in with the new. And to get all of these bolts out, you need a 8mm. You can use a screwdriver, 8mm socket built in, or you can use a plus, because it's like the Phillips plus head or negative head might work with it too as well. But for those other two, you might need a wrench, which you can't see, but there's a wrench right down there. And this is a 10mm thing. If you get the one where it's goes, I can do an update video and show you when everything's back the way it was. So I just want to do this quick video before the sun goes out.